In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a real account in MetaTrader 5. To get started, the first thing you need to do is choose a broker and go to that broker's official website. This is important because MetaTrader 5 is the trading platform, but your real trading account is created through a broker. Make sure you're on the official site so you avoid fake pages or phishing links. Once you're on the broker's website, look for the option that says sign up or open real account. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the broker, but the goal is the same. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin the account setup process. Next, enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Be sure to type everything accurately because these details are usually used for verification, account updates, and security notifications. If any information is incorrect, it could delay your approval. After that, you'll need to verify your identity. Most brokers will ask you to upload a photo of your ID and proof of address. This is a standard compliance step for real trading accounts and helps confirm that your account is legitimate. Make sure your documents are clear, valid, and easy to read before submitting them. Once your documents have been uploaded, you'll need to wait for the broker to review and approve them. Approval times can vary, so be patient. Some brokers respond quickly, while others may take a little longer depending on their verification process. When your account is approved, log into your new broker dashboard. This is where you'll manage your account settings and create your trading account for MetaTrader 5. From there, click Create Live Account and select MetaTrader 5 or MT5 as your platform. This step connects your real broker account to the MT5 trading environment. After the live account is created, save your login ID, password, and server name somewhere secure. You'll need these exact details to connect your account inside the MetaTrader 5 app, so don't skip this part. Now open the MT5 app on your phone or computer. On desktop, click File, then Log into Trade Account. On mobile, the wording may look a little different, but the login process is similar. Enter your account ID, your password, and choose the correct server. Double check the server name because selecting the wrong one can prevent you from logging in even if your credentials are correct. Finally, go back to your broker's website, click deposit, and add money to your account using a card or bank transfer. Once the funds arrive, your real MetaTrader 5 account is ready to use.